When we're talking about any material that's going to be next to your home, close to your home, the fire department recommend to have at least 5 feet with materials that cannot burn very easily. This is an iron gate, for example, which is also good to have, of course, rather than having, let's say, wooden gate or a vinyl. We have some of our gates in Pacific Palisades that made out of aluminum, which is great as well. In here we see an iron gate. Yes, it survived, but as you can see, it's peeling off. The rust is here, so it's not something that you're going to be able to keep. Like, for example, we can see a home that we've done that we'll be able to keep the materials, whatever they had there before. With iron, it's a little bit of a problem because once the iron is rusting, it's almost impossible to start to remove the rust and then repaint. It's almost impossible. Can be, but it's a lot of work and usually doesn't really worth it.